Today is the first day of this blood camp organized by Infant Jesus Shrine in association with Father Mullers. As you can see, there are a lot of doctors, technicians, nurses from Father Mullers that have come here, and we have seen a resounding success on our day one. Blood donation is a safe procedure. It is done in a hygienic environment, and to give blood and to save another person's life is the most noble cause. Here, my experience today has I have seen people from different age groups ready, willing, and people who came forward to save and better another person's life. Something as simple as blood donation can go a long way forward, and we are here tomorrow as well, and we invite more and more people to come and join us in this noble cause. Let your blood be the one saving 100 other lives.